Our next award is for iconic motivational speaker, Mrs. Saakshi Ashish Bhoite. Mrs. Saakshi, an educator, wanted to do something unique selflessly. She started working as an educator for standard 9th and 10th, with main subjects being maths, in one of the branches of Ryan International Group of Schools. She is an enthusiastic educator who believes in teaching experiences and training lively with hands-on topic. She started motivational talks with students, training them how to live lifely. Please put your hands together and welcome Mrs. Saakshi Ashish on stage. A lot of applause, please. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.